loaded with vitamins, minerals, and rich in proteins. These are very healthy snack and delicious food. Little time taken but worth it. One will fulfill your daily multivitamin requirements. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special dry fruit Karanji. This sweet is loaded with vitamins, minerals, rich in protein and sugar free. First take 300 grams of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. To this add 3 grams of salt and mix. Now add 50 ml of hot ghee or unsalted butter and mix. When butter mixed with the flour, add water little by little and mix to form a dough. Dough should be soft as I'm showing. Cover the dough and rest it for 30 minutes. Now we will prepare dry fruit mixture. First, on a baking tray lined with parchment, drop 30 grams of white sesame seeds, 30 grams of black sesame seeds, 30 grams of pistachio. You can use salted or unsalted, and 30 grams of almonds. Now I will bake them in preheated oven at 150 degrees for about 10-12 minutes. You can roast them as well. Meanwhile, we'll cut our dry fruits. Take 35 grams of dried figs, Anjeer, and cut into small pieces. Take 40 grams of dried mango and cut. Now take 30 grams of dry dates, remove the seeds and chop them finely. Chop as small as possible. Now take roasted peanuts and chop them. You can leave some large chunks. It will taste good while eating. Take 30 grams of cashew and chop. Here you can use roasted cashew. Taste will be little different. Now take 25 grams of black raisin and 25 grams of red raisin. Chop them finely. Now take 30 grams of date fruit and chop finely. Now take roasted pistachio and almonds. Chop as fine as possible. You can leave some chunks to fill in the mouth while eating. Now in a mixing bowl, take 30 grams of oil. If olive oil is available, you can use that. In the same bowl, add 30 grams of honey, 1 tablespoon of apple jam, 1 tablespoon of orange marmalade. Mix well the mixture. You can add your favorite jam. Now in this mixture, add roasted sesame, chopped raisin, mango, 30 grams of dry coconut powder or grated dry coconut, chopped almonds, pistachio, figs, dry dates, date fruit, peanut, and cashew. Now to this, add 60 grams of rice flour or cornstarch. Mix well all the ingredients till they well combine. Look at the consistency. When you make a ball, it should keep its shape. Now take the dough and divide it into small portions. Roll the divided pieces into small balls and place them on a plate. Now with the help of dough roller, roll out the dough balls and make into small rotis. Don't make too thin, they will break while frying. Now place the flattened dough sheet on a mold. Fill 2 tablespoons of dry fruit mixture. Apply water all around the edge. Press and seal. Remove the excess dough. If you don't have the mold, you can seal with hands by making beautiful design or with a fork. Now heat up the oil. When oil is hot, fry till they get golden brown color. That's it, our dry fruit karanji is ready. These are very tasty when compared with traditional one.